Good morning, children. Today is 7th of January 2021 and we are on chapter 7, that is multiples and factors and multiples. And yesterday we have revised what is prime number, composite numbers, twin primes, co-prime numbers. Yes, today let's see what are factors and multiples. Let's start with factors. Let's see what is factors. Now, what are factors? It is a number. What are factors, children? It is a number that is multiplied by another number. It is a number that is multiplied by another number and it gives us product. And what it gives us, children? Product. Simple. When we multiply two numbers, like here you can see, when we multiply two numbers, that is 4 and 3. What we are doing here? We are multiplying two numbers, that is 4 and 3. And it gives us what? It gives us product. Yes, children, it gives us product. Okay, so number that we multiply, which is here 4 and 3, what are they? They are factors. They are factors. I believe now this definition is clear to you. Factors are number that is multiplied by another number to get product. I am repeating again, children. Factor is a number that is multiplied by another number. Factor is a number that is multiplied by another number and we get product. Okay, let's take another example here, dear. 7 and 3. What are the two numbers here we are multiplying? 7 and 3. And after multiplying 7 and 3, what we are getting? We are getting product 63. Yes, product 63. So, the number which is giving product 63, the numbers which is giving product 63, we call it factors. Children, always remember that factors divide product completely. Like in first example, 12 is a product of 4 and 3 and 4 and 3 is a factor of 12. When we will divide 12 by 4, it will divide completely. We will not get any remainder after dividing it. Okay. So, factors divide multiples completely. Like here 12 is a multiple or product. And when we divide by 4 or 3, it will divide completely. There will be no remainder left. Same way here, 7 and 3. 7 into 3, we get product 63. So, 7 and 3 are factors of 63. Okay, and whenever we divide 63 by 7 and 3, it will divide completely. There will be no remainder left. Now, let's take one more example, children. Here I have multiplied three numbers. 4, 3, 2. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 2, 24. So, what is 24? 24 is a product. Okay. And what are factors here, children? 4, 3, 2. These are what? These are factors. Factors of what? Which number? 24. Factors of 24. So, whenever we will divide 24 by 4 or 3 or 2, it will divide completely. There will be no remainder left. There will be no remainder. Is it clear, children? So, what are factors? Factors are number that we multiply to get product. Is it clear? Now, let's see what are the properties of factors. Now, let's see what are the properties of factors. Now, first property. 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number and it is smallest factor of all the number. How? Let's see. For example, 1 into 5 will be what? 5. So, 5 is a product when you multiply number 1 and 5. Yes, children. So, 1 and 5 are factors of 5. See, 1 is here. Now, you take any number like 1 into 23. So, what will be 23? So, children, as we all know that in one's table, all the number come. We can see all the numbers. In one's table, we can see all the numbers. So, 1 is what? 1 is factor of all the numbers, and second, it is the smallest factor of all the numbers. This is clear? Now, let's see what is the next property of factor. Every number except 0. Sorry, let me take this. Every number except 0 is a factor of itself. How? 23 times 1 is 23. So 23 is what? Factor of 23. 27 into 1 is what? 27. So 27 is what? Factor of 27. So every number, I'm writing here, 23 into 1 is equal to 23. 97 into 1 is equal to 97. 2004 into 1 is equal to 2004. So children, here you can see here you can see every number, whatever number I am picking to multiply, it gives multiply with 1, it gives answer number itself. Like 23 into 1, 23. 97 into 1, 97. So 2004 into 1, 2004. So children, we can see here that every number is a factor of itself, and it is the greatest factor of itself. Yes, it will be clear in next point. Now see what is the next point. The factor of a number is less than or equal to that number. Yes children, now see, 23 into 1 is equal to 23. This is clear. But can you multiply 23 into 24 and you will get 23? No, you will not get 23. You will not get this, children. You will always get either bigger number. You will always get bigger number when you multiply 23 into 24. So 24 cannot be, this 24 cannot be factor of 23. So always remember, a factor of a number will be less than 21 or it will be equal, it will be less than 23 or it will be equal to 23, but it will be not greater than 23. For example, let's take one small number, children, like 6 into 1 is what? 6. But in 7th table, you will not get 6. You will get 7, but you will not get 6. You will not get 6. 6 is a wrong. Yes, but you will get 7. But in 1's table, you will get 6. In 2's table, yes, you will get 6. In 3's table, you will get 6. But you will not get 6 in 7's table or in 8's table. Okay, so always remember, factor of a number will be either equal to that particular number or it will be less than that number. Is it clear to you all? And one more thing, children, remember that factors of any number will be in fixed number. The smallest factor of any number will be 1, and the greatest and the biggest factor of any number will be number itself. So the factors of any number we can count. It is fixed. Is it clear? Now, after factor, let's see what are multiples. Multiples are the product. multiples are the product. Always remember children, multiples are the product. It is the product result of one number multiplied by another number. For example children, when we multiply two numbers, what we get? We get product, and that product is known as multiple. For example, you can see here 3 into 4, 12. So 3 and 4 is what? Factor of 12. 3 and 4 is what? Factor of 12. And 12 is a product when we multiply 3 and 4. Okay, so what is the other name for this? What is the other name for this 12? Multiple. What is the other name for this 12? Multiple. Is it clear children? This product 12 is also known as multiple. Like 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. So what are these numbers? These are multiples. These are multiples, and these are children, these are factors. ये क्या है? Factors है, and these are in green multiples. In the same way children, we can see 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 7, 42. 6 times it will go like this. It will go like this. Is it clear? 6 times 8 is 48. Is it clear children? So it will go like this. It will go like this. So children, we can say multiples are infinity. Okay, now again children, so these 6, 12, 18, 24, 12, 30, what are these? These are multiples of 6. These are multiples of 6, and 6 and this number in pink. What are these? These are factors of these numbers. Okay, this much is clear. So these are factors and these are multiples in green. This much is clear to everybody? Now, let's see what are the properties of multiples. Now, let's see what are the properties of multiples. Now, first, every number is multiple of 1. Every number is multiple of 1. Yes, we can see all the numbers in one's table. 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 3, 3, 1 into 9, 9, 1 into 99, 99, 1 into 2005, 2005, 1 into 36, 36. So, in one's table, we can see all the numbers. Yes, and multiples are infinity. Always remember. So, 1, every number is multiple of 1, and every number is multiple of itself. Yes, the first number when you start multiplying, like 3 into 1, 3. Yes, so 3 is multiple of itself. Yes, 2 into 1, 2. Yes, 37 into 1, 37. 42 into 1, 42. 56 into 1, 56. So all the numbers are multiple of themselves. All the numbers are multiples of themselves. We can say every number, हर एक number is a multiple of itself. Yes, this is clear. Now, see the third property. A number can have infinite number of multiples. Yes, because numbers never end. Like we are having only fixed number of alphabet. Yes, 26 alphabets are there. We start with 1 and we end on 26. But numbers are not like that. It will start with 0 and counting numbers start with 1. Okay, and it will go on. It will never end. It is infinity. Okay, numbers are infinite. Now, this much is clear. Now, see the last one. Every multiple of a number is a greater than or equal to that number. Yes. Now, every multiple of a number is a greater than or equal to that number. Very true. Now children, see, if you start 3's table, 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, you get 2. No, you get 6. Yes, like I'm writing here. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 4, 12. Children, you will see here that on each step, the multiple is getting bigger. The multiple is getting bigger. It is not decreasing. So, here it proves that multiple of number is either it will be equal, या तो वो उसके बराबर होगा, it will be equal, or it will be greater than that particular number. It cannot be small. It cannot be small. This in the case of multiples. Okay, anything. You take 9's table. 9 into 1, 9. 9 into 2, 18. 9 into 3, 27. 9 into 4, 36. And it will go on like this. It will go like this. It will increase on each step. It will increase. It will be increasing on each step, children. It will not get smaller. Yes. And the smallest multiple of 9 will be always 9. It cannot be less than 9. So, it is very much clear the multiple of any number will be equal to that particular number, or it will be greater than that number. And multiples cannot be fixed because it is infinite. Okay, this much is clear. But factors, when we talk about factors, factors will be in fixed number. Yes, and factor will be either it will be equal to that particular number or it will be smaller than that number. It cannot be greater. Okay, factors क्या होते हैं? It will be equal to that number or it will be smaller than that number. Okay, but in multiples it will be equal or it will be greater than that number. This much is clear? I believe multiples and factors are clear to you all. This is all for today's class, children. Thank you. Stay blessed.